What's going on, guys? Welcome back to Amazon Selling Hustle. In this video, we're going to talk about Jungle Scout's Estimator Tool and how that can benefit you in store while you're doing retail arbitrage. We'll be able to take ranks and run it on the calculator and see how many units sell per month.
Okay, guys. In this video, we are going to demonstrate how to use the Jungle Scout Estimator Tool while you're doing product research and retail arbitrage in the stores. If you don't have the Jungle Scout Estimator Tool, all you need to do is go on to your Safari on your phone, do a Google search for Jungle Scout Estimator Tool, and then just send it. It's not an app, so just send that to your desktop or to your main home screen of your phone. It'll show up, and then you can just rename it JS Estimator or whatever you want to do. Make sure you have your scanner, so your Amazon Seller Central is open as well. And those are the two tools that's all you need to scan products and then run the rank to see how many units will sell per month. So let's open up our Jungle Scout Amazon Seller Central account. In the top right, we have the camera. And now let's open up our Jungle Scout Estimator Tool. And I have 4 products here we're going to scan and we're going to run the rank. Then I'm going to show you another method of knowing the information before you even go into the store on what's a good rank. So let's go right into it. We'll use the US market and the Canadian market. We'll demonstrate both. So we'll have our scanner camera up. First thing we're going to scan is this Science product here. Scan the barcode. Comes up as a 38.2 rank. We're going to go to toys. We're going to put 38.2, 38.200. Run it. 100 of these sell per month. Okay, so I might keep that. I might screenshot it. We'll screenshot it if we want, whatever the case may be, so you can remember. Okay, the next one, we'll go back to our scanner. The next one we will scan is Fabrications, The Walking Dead Daryl Dixon toy. Okay, we'll scan the barcode. It comes up as 126,000 rank. Oh yeah, let me go back. I just want to see what 38.2 brings up in Canada. In toys, 38.2. Find out if there's any sales for that number. Canada doesn't have any sales for that high of a rank. Again, keep in mind, it's arbitrary. Jungle Scout is an American company. Their analytics are fully populated for everything USA related. They've expanded into most other territories, but they haven't populated the analytics really all that deep in places like Canada and the UK and Mexico, etc. So we're limited to what we see. Even though it's showing a 38 rank, I do know that 38,000 ranks sell well in Canada. So you do have to go off your intuition. Don't just go off the Jungle Scout numbers saying less than 5 units sell per month, because that's not always the case. Okay. So now we want Daryl Dixon. Daryl Dixon was 126,000 rank. Let's see what. Now we know that anything above 38 is going to get 0 sales in Canada. But if I'm in the US, I'm curious what 126 will get me. 126,000. Done. Find out now. So it gets me 29 sales a month. Okay, so now once you've scanned a few products, we'll scan another one here. We'll scan the Peter LaFleur Vinyl Idols Dodgeball toy. 41,000 rank. We know in Canada that's going to get us 0. What will that get us in the US? 41.7, I think. 41.7. So really easy tool to flip back and forth. That's how easy it is to use this tool. Gets me 92 sales a month. I'd buy that product right away as long as the numbers look good. So now here's another way to use this tool. Let's say you are in the Canadian market and you want to kind of have a research. I don't have a phone. I'm not bringing it in. I want to write the numbers down. Okay, so I'm going to pick categories that I'm ungated in for. Let's check with automotive first. Let's put in 10,000 rank products. Oh, we don't need a comma. Let's find out if we can get sales at 10,000. It says no. So for automotive, does it have to be less than 5,000? Find out. It says yes. So if it's 5,000, you're going to get minimal sales. So automotive is not really all that popular on Amazon in Canada. In the US, you can go through the numbers the same way. Start with, I usually say start with 20,000 and work up from there. So let's go with, appliance. No, we don't want to go with appliance. Let me find automotive. Automotive, 20,000 rank. Find out now. It says 100. So I'm happy with that. I want to see anything less than, say, 30 sales a month. So let's go to 50,000 rank. We're still over 30. And so as a retail arbitrager, I am going to write these numbers down. Let's say 70,000 rank. Okay, we're getting close. So anything in the automotive that is, let's say 80,000 or less, it's going to net me 30 sales a month approximately. Might even be 90,000 or less. And I would go through all of those categories. There we go. So at 90,000 or less, if it's automotive, I can buy it. I know that I'll likely sell one a day if I own the buy box. So that's a good way to gauge. And you can go through all the different categories, create your own little cheat sheet, and then not have to refer back and forth on your phone. Just quickly scan, see the number, and walk away. In Canada and other countries, it's not that easy, unfortunately, because, again, Jungle Scout being a great company it is, but they're just growing these other countries, and so the numbers will get better, but right now they kind of are limited to that. So you do have to use your instinct, one. Second thing is, when you look at the numbers, look at the sales rank, look at the reviews. If the reviews are high, so the reviews are low, so this is probably accurate, that not a lot of toys are being sold, so I probably...
All right, guys, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.